What's going on YouTube? I hope y'all having a great day, because we're having a great day. And today we're going to the fair that's located near Duluth in Georgia. So it's like our second time going to the fair, to a fair period. But this is our first time actually trying to go inside of this fair. We tried to go last year and it was a fail. It was too packed. We couldn't even go in and it was already late. So today we're going a little early. It's like a 5 o'clock right now. And yeah, Shorty had to get a little meal over here. We stopped at McDonald's before we, head over there. So yeah, she's stuffing herself up. Well, me, I'm on a diet, so I ain't eating none of that. So I'll see y'all there.
He clearly.
Alright guys, before we go there, I just want to show off my chain, because I believe that you should be your own plug. You know what I'm saying? You should be your own plug. Yeah, gang. Find you a lady that feeds you while you drive. Multitasking. You can put me in it. Boy, if you don't get your... Alright. You already know how we do, guys. SpongeBob socks, Air Maxes, drip season, you know what I'm saying? Supreme bag, drip season.
I can give you your order number. You have your receipt from it?
You ready? What's going on, guys? So we're here, feeling like small kids.
Not really.
Ready for your first ride? You're crying.
Yeah?
Yeah? She trying to look cute. Trying to look cute here? You know you scared?
I'm not scared.
Ah. Capped up. Alright guys, ride 2. Bumper cars. You ready?
Yep.
Ha. Ride 2 bumper cars, guys. Alright guys. Alright guys, so we just got done with the bumper cars and her teeth fell out. But yeah, we just got done with the bumper cars and we're going to see what other ride we ride next.
I think funnel cake is better.
Funnel cake or fried Oreo?
I want funnel cake.
I want to try fried Oreos. I ain't never had fried Oreos.
We end up getting the fried Oreos because Flacco,
Boy.
I don't know what his name is. He wants to try them, so we'll try them, okay?
Alright guys, so we're trying fried Oreo for the first time. So let's see. Is it good? That thing busting. That thing good.
It's good.
1 to 10.
8, cause it's so greasy. But it's good.
Hey man, I get a thing a 10. Actually again.
Is it better than
For sure.
wait?
Alright guys, so this is my first time trying fried Oreos, and on a 1 to 10 I give this a 10. That thing busting, finger licking. It leaves me speechless. So yeah.
Where's the line?
Over there.
Oh, that's not that long. Oh, the car line is long. But there's empty parking spots. It's just like under that.
You scared, sir?
That's good.
Too grown to be scared. That pretty look like you.
So cute.
Little resemblance. What's going on, guys? So yeah, we put up the torta locas, and I have my torta here.
Quesadilla?
Yeah guys, my bad. It's a quesadilla. I'm tripping, I'm slacking. Lack of sleep. But yeah, put up the torta locas and I got me a quesadilla. Looks bomb. Right now, we're either going to Walmart or IHOP to actually get some ice cream for me, and then IHOP for her. But if she don't want no IHOP, then we'll just probably head home. We went to the fair. Just like she said, the admission was $10 and then $25 to actually ride the rides and have an unlimited stamp. But yeah guys, we had fun. First time trying the Oreo, it was good. Yeah guys, so subscribe, hit that like button, and always make sure to turn on your notifications. Upload videos every week. So yeah, subscribe, hit that like button, and deuces.